Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10. In this video, you will learn how to insert SIM card and SD card in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, go to the bottom side of your tablet. Here, you will find a hole. Just insert SIM ejector tool in this hole. Bring SIM ejector tool and insert SIM ejector tool into this hole here and push down into the hole. The SIM tray will be coming out from your phone, that is from your tablet, and just to take it out from your tablet. Yes, this is the SIM tray. Keep your tablet aside, and here you are seeing two slots. In the first slot you can put one nano SIM. In the second slot you can put one micro SD card. Okay, so here I am bringing one SIM card and keep the SIM card in this position and insert here. Okay, then bring SD card, that is memory card, and insert memory card in this position. Okay, now bring your tablet and insert the tray into your tablet here. Insert the tray here. Yes, inserted. Now wait for this signal for SIM card and for SD card as well. Just wait. Your SIM card should be detected. Yes, SIM card is detected and they are showing the signal here. And to check it, just go to the settings of your phone, that is your tablet, and click on network and internet, and here click on mobile network and see there Geo 5G Geo SIM is showing here. Okay, so SIM card is properly mounted. To check for SD card, just go to files, click on continue. So SIM card and SD card have been mounted properly, and yes, you can use your tablet. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.